Hello students, welcome class 1 to your e-learning computer class. I hope you all have watched your previous classes. Previous class I have completed chapter number 4 book exercise. Chapter number 4 the keyboard. The chapter and book exercise completed. So today we will write few questions from chapter number 4 the keyboard and write down the heading answer in one word. You all please take out your computer notebook and note down. Okay, answer in one word. You all please take out your notebook and write the heading the keyboard and answer in one word. Okay, number 1, question number 1. Which is the longest key of longest key on the keyboard? Which is the longest key on the keyboard? Longest key on the keyboard is space bar. Space bar is the longest key the keyboard. Write down the answer space bar. And next question number 2. Question number 2. Name the key which makes the text appear in capital letter. Name the key which makes the text appear in capital letter. Which key? Caps lock key. Caps lock key we use to write the text in capital letter. Caps lock key. Caps lock key. Write down the answer caps lock key. Okay, I will rub the board. And the next question, question number 3. Question number 3. Which key helps us to start the text from the next line. From the next line or new line also you can say. Which key helps us to start the text from the next line? Which key we use to start this text from the new line or next line? Enter key. Write the answer enter key. Enter key. Next question, question number 4. Question number 4. How many arrow keys are present on a keyboard? How many arrow keys are present on a keyboard? There are 4 arrow keys are present on a keyboard. 4 arrow keys: up arrow, down arrow, right arrow and left arrow. So write the answer 4. Write the answer 4. Next question, question number 5. Which key we use to erase erase the left side which key we use to erase the left side of the cursor? Which key we use to erase the left side of the cursor? The left side of the cursor. Which key we use to erase the left side of the cursor? Left side of the cursor we use backspace key. If you want to erase left side of the cursor, we have to use backspace key. So write down the answer backspace key. Backspace key. And then this is the last question, question number 6. Which key we use to erase the right side of the cursor? Which key we use to erase the right side of the cursor? If you want to erase the right side of the cursor, you have to use delete key, because delete key erase the right side of the cursor. So write down the answer delete key. Delete key. Okay, today this much. Thank you beta. Have a nice day.